Over the past year, Raspberry Pi Connect has been in beta, allowing users to test and help refine its features. Now, it's available to everyone, and at BlackDevice, we believe this tool will be invaluable for the community of makers, IoT developers, and home lab enthusiasts alike. In this video, we're going to show you how to control your Raspberry Pi remotely from anywhere using Raspberry Pi Connect. Welcome to BlackDevice YouTube channel. First, let's make sure our Raspberry Pi is fully up to date. Open the SSH console and type sudo apt update, and then sudo apt full-upgrade. This guarantees compatibility and security before installing our remote access tool. Next, run the following command to install Raspberry Pi Connect. Sudo apt install rpi-connect. When the installation completes, activate the service by running rpi-connect on. Or, if you prefer the desktop, simply click the connection icon in the top menu and select Activate Raspberry Pi Connect. Now we need to link our device to our Raspberry Pi ID account. You have two options. 1. Desktop menu. Click Turn on Raspberry Pi Connect for the first time. Then log in with your Raspberry Pi ID credentials, or create an account on the official Raspberry Pi site if you haven't yet. 2. SSH command. Run rpi-connect sign-in in the SSH terminal. You'll receive a unique URL. Open it in any browser, authenticate, and assign a name to your Pi. Once linked, go to your computer and navigate to connect.raspberrypi.com. Sign in with your Raspberry Pi ID. You'll see your Pi listed along with two Connect Via options. 1. Screen share. Click this to launch a browser-based remote desktop. You'll see your Pi's GUI and can interact with it just like you were sitting in front of it. This is perfect for visual tasks and troubleshooting. 2. Remote shell. Select this to open an SSH terminal right in your browser. You can run commands, update software, or manage services without configuring firewalls or VPNs. In the video description, you'll find a link to our blog post where the entire process is explained step by step. And that's it. You now have secure, hassle-free remote access to your Raspberry Pi. With Raspberry Pi Connect, you will be able to keep everything updated and under control, from servers and NAS to IoT gadgets and network gear, all from one browser window. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more BlackDevice guides. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.